Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to work on binary operations. In binary operation, we are given a system of equation and we are supposed to find the output for the given inputs. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment so as to support the channel. If this is the first time, I have done other examples on binary operation. You can go and check on it in my playlist. In this question, they say if a star b is equal to a square minus b, find y given 4 star 2 star y is equal to 4. They have given to us a star b is equal to a square minus b. We are required to find y is equal to what? Given 4 star in the bracket 2 star y, this is equal to 4. The first thing, let us find the value of 2 star y in the inner bracket. We are going to substitute this input to our system of equation. So 2 star y, this is equal to what? Let us compare our input. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to y. That is the first input with the first input and the second input with the second input. Let us substitute to our equation. So 2 star y, this is equal to a is equal to 2, that is going to be 2 square, minus b is equal to y, that is minus y. So 2 star y, this is equal to 4 minus y. Now, the value of 2 star y in this bracket is equal to 4 minus y. So I can write this in this form: 4 star 4 minus y. Now I'm going to find the value of this. If I get the value of this, is the same as I get the value of this, which is equal to 4. Now let us compare the input, the first input with the first input, that is a is equal to 4. The second input with the second input, that is b, is equal to 4 minus y. Let us substitute this input to our equation. So a equal to 4, 4 star b is equal to 4 minus y. This is equal to a is equal to 4, that is going to be 4 square, minus b, which is 4 minus y. So we are going to get this is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 4 minus y. We open the bracket, that is going to be 16 minus 4 plus y. This is equal to 16 minus 4. We get 12 plus y. But remember, 4 star in the bracket, 4 minus y, this value here is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 12 plus y. I'll bring y to the left hand side. 4 minus 12, this is equal to y. So we get y is equal to 4 minus 12. This is equal to minus 8. the value of y is equal to minus 8. I hope you understand how to work with binary operations. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.